Hey guys, wanna reduce or completely mute Meta AI on your Instagram? Let me show you how to do it. So while you cannot completely remove Meta AI from your Instagram, just follow this simple tutorial so you will reduce and mute Meta AI to make it less interactive. So firstly, open Instagram on your device and now go to your direct messages. Here, look for the Meta AI icon at the top left and click on it. Now when inside the chat, look at the top right again and click on this small icon with the I letter. Now when in the settings menu, look for the mute option with the bell and click on it. Select the mute messages option and toggle it on. Now let's set it for until I change it, and that's pretty much it. You have muted Meta AI. And again, while there is no feature for completely removing Meta AI or, for example, blocking it, you can delete an already existing chat. So you have to be in your DMs, find the chat with Meta AI and slide it to the left. Now in this menu, look for the trash bin icon and give it a tap. When prompted, click on the remove option. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips and stay up to date with new Instagram features.